Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. To set up the glass shader, you just right click on the shader graph and then go to create, then click material. So create material using this shader graph and just name it glass or whatever. And now for the settings. Before you do anything, go to Q control, click auto, click user override and make it 3000. This will just make the texture transparent. Now for distortion map. This is how it distorts what's behind the object. So if you drag in this norm map that's included in the uni package, it will now distort stuff that's behind it, but you gotta turn up the distortion if you want it to be noticeable. For the tiling, this is how much it will tile the glass. So if we make it 10, it does it by a lot. So I'll just keep it at 5. You can see it already working now, but there's still some more settings. For Noah strength, this affects the smoothness. So if I turn it up, you can see it a lot more accurately. Makes it reflective on the norm map. Now for miscellaneous stuff. Use emission. If you go in the shader graph, you can see right here, it looks really complicated, but basically it just takes the distortion and makes it the emission. If you don't want to use the emission, go to graph settings in this graph inspector here, click opaque and then click transparent. Now for use distortion map. If this is disabled, it would default to this texture right here. Specular color, this is just what it tints the glass as. Just keep it as black if you don't want it to be tinted, but if you want it to be like tinted red but not fully red, just make it red. So subscribe for more tutorials, I guess.